but it's good food. Sorry about the light. I'm using like natural lighting. But yeah, I'm your girl TR, back with another review, obviously. But today I am reviewing Drakkar Intense. I had a sample of this and I loved it, bro. And I know a lot of people say samples sometimes like it doesn't really smell like the cologne. Like the samples, it smelled good, but it didn't. It smelled good, but then it didn't smell good. It was like, alright, so it was like kind of like, alright, let me kind of try it out. But yeah, reviewing this. My bad. But yeah, like I said, I ain't zooming. Sorry, broke camera. Came in this bottle. I used it, but it's Drakkar Intense. The main notes are aromatic, fresh, spicy, woody, patchouli, whatever the hell that is, lavender, earthy, whatever the hell that's supposed to mean, and soft, spicy, and mossy. Okay, so, like I said, I'm going to keep asking this, because there's always new people on the video, but do y'all shake up y'all colognes before y'all spray? And if y'all know, like, my other Drakkar is Noir. So yeah. But yeah, I'm looking at something. So let's go. First initial spray with lavender. First hint is that lavender. I get that right off the bat. Definitely like not aromatic. I'm reading something, but definitely lavender. Still smell that lavender. But it's like I'm getting like a hint of vanilla, but it's no vanilla in it. I'm getting a slight woody. That's what he said. Excuse me. Definitely getting that lavender. Now the woody's starting to come in heavy. Then a spice. Moss. Yeah. I can kind of smell the, light. But, girl love, what the hell? Get your life together, son. Not son like New York be saying, son. You feel me, son? But, shout out to New Yorkers. I mean, the sun, like the actual sun. Need to calm it down there, buddy. But, yeah, y'all don't see, on my vlog channels, y'all do not see this funny side of me. but yeah, so, my bad, I'm ADD, bro. But yeah, I definitely get that woody. That's what he said. Wood smell. Spicy, definitely. Lavender. Spice. And that mossy, bro. And it's like that, bro, a hint of freaking vanilla. And I'm getting like musk. But it's no musk. Hold up. In the nose. Is it? But yeah, woody smell is definitely picking up. But on, like, normally when I wear it, like, here when I smell it, from here, like, my neck is, I normally get the woody, and the vanilla smell, and the sweet smell, for like body chemistry. But, yeah, bro, I'm sorry. But as far as like longevity, as far as like how it lasts pretty long. It lasts all night. On clothes, it lasts like a couple days. Yeah, I like it. It's kind of a light, sweet smell. Like I said, I'm definitely picking up that woody. That woody, and like a powder. It doesn't have powder on here, but I'm smelling powder too. It's definitely like a sweet smell. I like it. She likes it. My girl likes it, so yeah. She gotta do what the ladies want. Gotta listen to the femmes, bro. To my guys and studs out there, listen. So always use your girl as a test dummy. Buy samples. But sometimes samples isn't always good because the sample kind of smelled a little bit different than this. But now it's simmering down to just powder. And there's no powder in it. Powder like just a sweet smell. Maybe woody. Wood sweet smell. Wood sweet woodish smell. Sweet woodish powdery smell. That's what I'm getting. As it starts to simmer down. But I like it, bro. I'll give it a 7.5. No, I'll give it a 7.1. It's not one of my favorites, but it smells good. This could be used for night, for like clubbing, bar, and stuff like that. But business, it's a hit and miss. But it's sweet, too sweet for business. For me, I would say like business is more like Drakkar Noir, something like that. Now it's starting to be nothing but spice. Like a spice. But I like it, bro. But if you tried it, do you like it? Let me know. Any colognes, prefer colognes, but to my fans or ladies, if you want me to try perfume, I'll do it. But yeah, let me know. Y'all want me to do a review on. But yeah, I'm out, man. Like I said, I like it. It's pretty good. But I'm out. Peace. Y'all have a great day, night. And yeah. Yay, yay.